Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the simple problems on Z transform. Z transform is the discrete transform. Let us solve one problem. So find the Z transform of cos n theta and Z transform of sin n theta. We know that e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. E power I n theta is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. If we take A is equal to e power I theta, so A power n is equal to e power I n theta. So A is equal to e power I theta. If you are taking a power n is equal to e power I n theta. So e power I theta power n. A power n is equal to e power I theta power n. What is the z of a power n? So z transform of a power n is equal to z by z minus a. Z transform of e power I theta power n. Instead of a, here is e power I theta. So z divided by z minus e power I theta, which is equal to z divided by z minus, what is e power I theta? In the starting we have, in the beginning we have written e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So z divided by z minus e power I theta, which is equal to z divided by z minus of cos theta plus I sin theta. So z of e power I n theta, which is equal to z divided by z minus cos theta minus I into sin theta. So you have to take the conjugate. So z of e power I n theta can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So z divided by z minus cos theta minus I sin theta. So it can be divided into two parts, z of cos n theta plus I z of sin n theta, which is equal to z divided by z minus cos theta minus I sin theta into conjugate. You have to take the complex conjugate, z minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole divided by z minus cos theta plus I sin theta. If you multiply z of cos n theta plus I into z of sin n theta is equal to z into z minus cos theta plus I z sin theta whole divided by z minus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. So I have used the formula here. So z into z minus cos theta plus I z sin theta divided by z minus cos theta whole square can be written as z square plus cos square theta minus 2 cos z cos theta minus 2z cos theta plus sin square theta. So z into z minus cos theta plus I z sin theta whole divided by z square minus 2z cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 1. Therefore, z of cos n theta plus I z of sin n theta is equal to z into z minus cos theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1 plus I into z of sin theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. Comparing, equating the real and the imaginary parts, z of cos n theta is equal to z into z minus cos theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. And Z of sin n theta is equal to Z into sin n theta divided by Z square minus 2Z cos theta plus 1. Thank you.